Growers that are committed to quality and are willing to work with us to produce wheat of exceptional quality. Customers that value quality and collaboration. And for both customers and growers, we want to work with people and companies that value trust and know how to earn it and maintain it over crop years and, frankly, generations at times.
This grower is committed to food safety security on the farm, transportation-wise, and getting the grain to and from our facilities. He monitors his grain on the farm. He also is very innovative in his farming practices, operates the latest technology in tractors, combines, fertilization. Bay State Milling has been purchasing Ray's grain for going on 10 years now, and we have positions with Ray going forward in years to come.
I think growers would say that Bay State Milling Company partners with them to ensure their success, that we're willing to collaborate with them to solve challenges and create opportunities, and that we deliver on what we say we're going to do. And I think this notion of following through on what you say you're going to do has really been tested in the last few years, where we've had incredible market volatility, and you really have been tested to stand by what you say you're going to do. And through thick and thin, we're going to be there for these guys, and we expect them to be there for us too, because certainly our customers are counting on that. It's not just about price. We look for quality, consistent supply, farmers that want to work with us to create better products, and farmers that are transparent and trustworthy.
The whole customer-grower interaction solidified the relationships. It made real the fact that we do have growers, we do have grain, that we do have commitments from growers that these customers can count on. They got to ride combines, they got to ride grain carts and trucks, just knowing that it really does exist. It isn't something that you just read or see a picture of that does go on somewhere. They got to actually visually view the relationships, the interaction between us and the growers. They know that it's real, the relationships are real.
I think our customers would say of Bay State that they really value the notion of a close and intimate relationship, our commitment to quality, and making sure they get the product that they need safely and on time and in spec, and that ultimately we're invested in their success.